Here's our next problem. We are we are really guided by the equation here on what we can do. So the B or C and the not A, these two portions have the same priority because they're both inside of one set of parentheses. So I'm just going to go from left to right as our default in programming. So we're going to do B or C first. I'm going to do that here. B or C. Then I'm going to do the not A. Ooh, almost didn't make it a whole thing there. And then I'm going to do the and in the middle. Now I put a block around that because I will end up doing that with that too. So let's get some answers here. So notice it's the same combinations as I might have had with an X, Y, and Z. It's still three variables. I need all the combinations that we can have interacting between the three of them. So that's why that's there. But what I'm more focused on is B or C. I'm not worried about A at all. So forget A. The or is my next thing I need to focus on. Remember, with an or, I need just one of the columns to have a 1, and then the rest of it will be a 1. So that's definitely not that. Yep. And again, I'm worried about my rows being somewhat matched here. So we're good on that. Not A. Not A is just not. It's the opposite of what we have here. Notice I'm ignoring B and C. So not is just literally the opposite of this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last part. Now, I'm going to do this again. I took care of this part. This part I did. And that was really this one right here. This other part I took care of right here. And that's part 2. Ooh, that's supposed to be a 2. Ugh. So now I need to get the solutions for these twos, which I've already done, and put them together in an and to get my final product. As hopefully you know, with an and, I need both of them to be a 1, or it's just kind of the opposite. With an and, look for a 0. With an or, look for a 1. So to make it easier, honestly, you look for a 0 and, because then the whole darn thing is 0. It just doesn't matter. So here's a 0, 1, 1, 1, and the rest of these are all zeros. So that is our solution for that equation.